35 days preparation routine with our course, Government Job Preparation, available in our app, Optometry Notes and MCQs. Now, before going to the routine, let's see the AIIMS syllabus and mark distribution first. In Section A, that is optometry-related subjects, has 80 MCQs, total 320 marks, that have to complete within 72 minutes. In Section B, that is non-optometry-related topics, has 20 MCQs, total 80 marks, that have to complete within 18 minutes. Note: optometry-related topics has 80% mark, so we will give our 80% time on optometry part. And non-optometry part has 20% mark, so we will give our 20% time on non-optometry part. Remember, non-optometry part is tough for everyone. Main competition will be on optometry-related questions. Now, let's see AIIMS 35 days preparation routine. In Step 1, that is Subjectwise theory notes, we will spend 15 days, total 15 subjects are there. You have to complete notes for 1 subjects per day. In Step 2, that is premium lectures, we will spend 3 days, total 440 minutes lectures are there. You have to watch 2 hours and 30 minutes per day. In Step 3, that is Subjectwise MCQs, we will spend 7 days, total 20 subjects are there. You have to complete 3 subjects per day. In Step 4, that is non-optometry MCQs, we will spend 7 days, MCQs for few topics and for rest links will be provided. In Step 5, that is previous year MCQs, we will spend 3 days, all government job previous year MCQs are there. Now, in Step 1, you will get theory notes for below subjects: clinical refraction, instrumentation, ocular diseases, ocular pharmacology, optics and optometry, contact lens, ocular anatomy, occupational optometry, pediatric optometry, community ophthalmology, sports vision, ocular physiology, ocular microbiology, binocular vision, low vision, dispensing, general anatomy and physiology. In Step 2 premium lectures, you will get lectures on most important topics and calculations in optometry. In Step 3 subjects-wise MCQs, you will get topic-wise MCQs for below subjects: ocular anatomy, ocular diseases, clinical refraction, low vision, contact lens, binocular vision, instrumentation, clinical optometry, dispensing optics, occupational optometry, community ophthalmology, sports vision, pediatric optometry, general anatomy, geriatric optometry, microbiology, biochemistry, optics and optometry, ocular pharmacology, ocular physiology. In Step 4 non-optometry MCQs, you will get MCQs for general knowledge, current affairs and computer knowledge. For rest topics, links will be given. You can go through the links and prepare. In Step 5 previous year MCQs, you will get previous MCQs of below government exams: AIIMS previous year's MCQs, DSSSB previous year's MCQs, RRB previous year's MCQs, GSSSB previous year's MCQs, MP Ophthalmic Assistant previous year's MCQs, BFUH's previous year's MCQs, UPSSSC previous year's MCQs, PSC previous year's MCQs. In last minute revision MCQs folder, you will get most important MCQs subjects wise. You have to go through these MCQs the day before the exam. Ocular anatomy, Optics and optometry. Instrumentation. Dispensing optics. Clinical refraction. Ocular diseases. Contact lens. Low vision. Ocular pharmacology. Binocular vision. General anatomy. Ocular biochemistry. Ocular microbiology. Download our app, Optometry Notes and MCQs from Google Play Store and enroll in Government Job Preparation course to start your preparation with this 35 days routine.